To fix this error, that's what you need to do. First of all, open up your client, go to library, then press on the three dots on Battlefield 6 open beta. Then you need to go to view properties, then open folder, and then on this new folder here, you need to look for shader cache and delete this particular file. Also make sure that your game is completely closed before you do that. Then the next step what you need to do is to write run on search or press Windows and I key. And here you need to delete a few files. So this one, d3d as cache, delete it. And then Battlefield game data ch1-qol, also delete it. Then what you need to do here is to go back to your client, EA Games, Steam, real doesn't matter. And then you just need to press on the three dots on the game and then press repair. After repair process is done, try to launch the game and your issue should be solved. That's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.